Hello everyone, Drin here from Drin Games. Today I get to do an unboxing video for the Santa Monica Seafood Express. They are shipping fresh seafood to your home. I'm excited to see what I got today because I don't even know what's going to be in here. So let's see, let's find out. The Santa Monica Seafood Company has some really amazing seafood. I have been lucky enough to have it a few times. It's always super fresh and super delicious. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so we should be getting black tiger shrimp and some salmon. Fantastic, let's see. I really like that it's in a little, like it's in a cooler. It's gonna be fresh. Let's see what's in here. I can feel the coolness. As I open that, I could feel it come up. All right, we have peanuts. Let's move those out of the way. Oh, look at this. We have seafood. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have the shrimp, black tiger shrimp, 2-pound bag. Oh my gosh, I have got some ideas of what to do with this shrimp. We also have, look at this, 4 servings of salmon. So it looks like it's from Chile. Beautiful, look at these. And they're frozen hard. They're nice and fresh. You could tell that no heat has gotten to these in transit. Oh, this is beautiful. So I have 4 pieces of salmon here. I've got a 2-pound bag of shrimp. The possibilities, you guys. I will definitely be making a couple of meals with these. I'm going to try and stream those for you so you can check them out as I cook them. Oh man, the ideas are just running through my head. So this is the Santa Monica Seafood Express. And that is quite a bit of fish that I have right here. They are delivering these straight to your home. It's a brand new service that they're offering, and I am so excited to try this out. Check them out, Santa Monica Seafood Company. This is Drin Games here, Drin. Lucky enough to be able to open this. I hope that you're able to get your hands on one too. And I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. Until then, you guys take care and have a great day.